In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a quiz in Telegram. This walkthrough uses Telegram's built-in poll feature, which is ideal for quick, single-question quizzes inside a group or channel. It's fast, lightweight, and doesn't require any extra bots or external tools. All you need is the Telegram app on your phone or desktop and access to the group or channel where you want to post. Start by opening Telegram and heading to the group or channel where the quiz will live. It helps to think about your audience here. A group is great for interactive participation among members, while a channel works well if you want to broadcast a quiz to followers. Make sure you have permission to post in that space. Next, open the poll creator. In the message bar, tap the attachment icon, the little paperclip, and choose poll. On desktop, you'll find poll in the composer as well. This brings up the poll setup screen, which is where you'll configure the quiz. Before you type anything, scroll through the poll settings and switch on quiz mode. This is the key step that turns a regular poll into a real quiz. With quiz mode enabled, you can mark one option as the correct answer, and participants will see whether they got it right after they vote. It keeps things simple and objective. Now add your content, enter your question in a clear, concise way, so here is no confusion. Then add the answer options you want people to choose from. Keep each option distinct and unambiguous, and avoid overlapping choices. If the question could be interpreted in multiple ways, add a brief qualifier right in the question to keep it fair. Once your options are in, select the correct answer by tapping on it. Double-check that you've marked the right one, and that your spelling and phrasing look good. This is important because after you publish the quiz, you generally can't edit the question or answers. You'd need to create a new one if something's off. When you are satisfied, tap Create or Send to publish the quiz to the group or channel. It will appear immediately, ready for everyone to vote. As responses come in, participants will get instant feedback, and you can watch results update in real time. If you want to build momentum, consider following up in the chat with a short message acknowledging the correct answer and encouraging participation. But the quiz itself is live the moment you send it. That's all it. Thanks for watching.